Hey guys, welcome back to Illumined, your 10-minute book summary channel. Let's face it guys, we've all been there. Those moments when everything seems perfect and then suddenly you're hit with a curveball. That moment when your partner says nothing's wrong, but you know something's definitely up. It's like navigating a minefield, trying to figure out what went wrong. Or when a simple conversation escalates into a full-blown argument, leaving you utterly bewildered. You replay the conversation in your head, wondering where it all went south. We love them, we cherish them, but sometimes understanding women can feel like trying to decipher hieroglyphics. It's as if we're speaking entirely different languages. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if the key to a harmonious relationship lies in a few simple adjustments? What if unlocking the secrets to a happy, fulfilling relationship with the woman in your life was less about deciphering a secret code and more about understanding a different language? A language that once learned can transform misunderstandings into meaningful conversations. A language of emotions, vulnerability, and deep connection. It's about tuning into the emotional undercurrents that often go unspoken. This is where the groundbreaking work of relationship expert John Gottman comes in. His research has revolutionized the way we understand relationships. Through decades of research, Gottman has provided invaluable insights into the dynamics of relationships, particularly the nuances of communication between men and women. His findings are not just academic. They are practical tools that can be applied in everyday life. His book is a roadmap for men who are ready to ditch the confusion and build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. It's a guide that breaks down complex emotional landscapes into understandable and actionable steps. Remember, this isn't about changing who you are or becoming a mind reader. It's about developing a deeper connection through empathy and understanding. It's about bridging the communication gap with empathy, respect, and a genuine desire to understand the woman you love. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can express your true selves. As we dive deeper into Gottman's principles, you'll find that the effort you put into understanding your partner will pay off in ways you never imagined. The small changes you make today can lead to a lifetime of happiness and mutual respect. Picture celebrating milestones together, not just as a couple, but as best friends who truly get each other. That's the power of effective communication and emotional intelligence. Remember, every step you take towards understanding is a step towards a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Let's make this journey together, one step at a time. Here's to love, understanding, and the incredible journey ahead. Let's embrace it with open hearts and minds. At the heart of every successful relationship lies a strong foundation of trust and emotional connection. These two elements are the bedrock upon which love and partnership are built. Without trust, a relationship can quickly crumble under the weight of doubt and insecurity. Without emotional connection, partners may feel isolated and misunderstood, leading to a sense of loneliness even when together. Women, in particular, thrive on feeling emotionally safe and understood by their partners. The sense of emotional security allows them to open up and share their deepest thoughts and feelings. When a woman feels that her partner truly understands her, it strengthens the bond between them and fosters a deeper sense of intimacy. This chapter delves into the crucial role of emotional connection in a woman's life. Emotional connection is not just about being physically present. It's about being emotionally available and responsive. It's about showing empathy, compassion, and genuine interest in your partner's inner world. Gottman emphasizes the importance of creating a space where your partner feels comfortable sharing her inner world, her thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities. This means being a safe haven for her, where she can express herself without fear of judgment or criticism. This involves active listening, which goes beyond simply hearing her words. Active listening means being fully engaged in the conversation, showing that you are genuinely interested in what she has to say. It means paying attention to her nonverbal cues, such as her body language and facial expressions, to truly understand her emotions. It's about being fully present in the conversation, paying attention to her body language, and reflecting back what you hear to ensure you truly understand. This can be done by paraphrasing what she says and asking clarifying questions to show that you are actively engaged in the conversation. Practical tips in this chapter include: practice active listening. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and focus on what she's saying. This shows that you value her and are fully present in the moment. Validate her emotions. Instead of trying to fix her problems, acknowledge and validate her feelings. Let her know you understand and empathize with her experience. This can be as simple as saying, "I can see that you're really upset about this," or "It sounds like you're feeling really frustrated." Create a safe space for vulnerability. Encourage her to open up by being non-judgmental and supportive. This means listening without interrupting, offering comfort, and reassuring her that her feelings are valid. Building this foundation of trust and emotional connection is an ongoing process. It doesn't happen overnight, and it requires continuous effort from both partners. Trust is built through consistent actions that demonstrate reliability, honesty, and integrity. It requires patience, consistency, and a genuine desire to understand your partner on a deeper level. This means being willing to have difficult conversations, to apologize when you're wrong, and to forgive when your partner makes mistakes. By making her feel heard, valued, and emotionally safe, you'll be well on your way to building a strong and lasting bond. This bond will not only withstand the test of time, but will also deepen and grow stronger with each passing day. Remember, the key to a successful relationship lies in the continuous nurturing of trust and emotional connection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments. You can also let me know which book summary you'd like to see next. See you next time, and please hit that like and subscribe button.